So here I am, Amit Jha, and he's Divesh Jha. We are traveling to. You can guess the place. I think
Amit, Amit insist me to come from bike, but I requested him to have a short trek, but it seems very long.
you can see. Oh my God!
That long, and I don't know. I think I couldn't resist it.
So this is the Saimunath temple.
Can you please
It is so.
close up of me? Like in walking, while walking.
It is so tough to climb the stairs.
एक तो खाली हमें video.
And here is the place. What you have to say?
I want a solo video of mine for my Instagram. Can you cut this?
I think we are about to reach. You can see the temple. I think yes. It was the climb was easy or hard.
The special guest featuring Dipesh Jha in AKJ vlog, and
Will you upload it or not? It is not fixed because we haven't planned.
I think this trek is easy, but not for us.
We had bike,
But
but someone says, "No, we'll go by walking." And here is someone.
one of my,
The thing is not we have to climb the stairs and go.
we have
The
to,
thing is we have to return back from the stairs. That's the main problem.
okay, and I don't know that we will make it or not. Stay tuned for update.
Okay, see you. So one is resting here. You can enjoy the view.
I think you will see
So finally, we have reached the temple.
scenic beauty of Kathmandu city with lovely mountains and a well-planned structure of city. It's a mesmerizing view and I'm loving it. It's, I don't know what Virat Kohli says the word, how to say it, how to pronounce it, but it is beautiful.
So you can see the temple. Saimunath. Now you have to walk down the stairs. Other side it.
I don't know about excitement, but it is definitely a rush. I
I had a bike.
am sorry. We are finally going downwards after
Saimunath.
Shambhunath Mandir, and this is, we have to go downstairs with this, and I think
You can see the last view of
you
Saimunath.
can see the last view of Shambhunath, and this
Last
is
vlog.
and this is and this is Kathmandu city, and we are, I think it's 150 stairs,
Yeah, maybe.
huh?
Maybe.
Yeah, it's 150 stairs approx, and I climbing down
I climbing down.
is is bit hard. My legs are a bit shaking, but let's take a view of Amit Jha. Please.
Yeah, it was pretty good experience.
No, about this.
The stairs are, I think, it is slanted like this. This.
Are your legs shaking or not? Or is it me only?
Oh, this is chill for Nepali guys, you know.
Oh, okay.
I am chill guy who climbed the stairs and down with having bike. Wow.
Oh, I don't think so. It's a mistake. It's a very
Yes, yes.
memorable experience. We don't know that.
Let's make memorable.
Let's make it
Go fall
memorable.
down from the stairs. Then it
And
will be memorable.
Then it would be, then it would, there be a sign also in our body. Okay, and I think I am
Do you
a
need
bit tired.
something to drink?
Uh, I can't say in the video because I will show to my mummy papa, and now I am a bit scared because there are some monkeys who are making some noise and I don't know the
Please show the monkeys too.
sound. Okay, here is one and here is second one. And I think we reached very quickly, but now I realize it's the only halfway. And I think Amit will prefer to sit somewhere, but I will convince him to go directly to down. And
No, I'm not. Oh no.
okay, so we came from there, from the top, and you can see in the video that it is not my fault. You didn't convince me well.
I did. I asked 5 times. I asked when we are half of the stairs.
He's
He said no.
lacking in
I don't
MBA
know.
skills, and my hand is give an answer, and please take from here onwards. And I think you should close the video and start from the beginning so that you can crop it out easily.
It was but a memorable walk. Yes, the pizza. I think video is getting too long as my subscribers are only 9.
Do you have my Bhaiji number?
Yes.
If something will happen to me, please inform him.
Okay, see you. You can see the.
Oh, Amit, I
Yes.
forgot to count stairs. Let's go from beginning.
Okay, yes.
We will count the stairs.
Okay, you go. I'll stay here.
So we finally reached near our bike, and we will now head towards somewhere. We don't know, but yeah, somewhere definitely. And here is the end of this AKZ vlog. Stay tuned for upcoming thrills and enjoy the vlog.
Okay, see you. Bye.